teach you how to make sushi roll at home. So here's the ingredients, and then wasabi, ginger, spicy sauce, soy sauce, sesame, crab meat, cucumber, and the cream cheese, tuna, salmon, and the sushi bamboo mat and then sushi rice and the seaweed coming up. So pretty much all package. You can make sushi in the house. Okay, step 1, seaweed, sushi rice, and the water. Okay, and the little water in your hands. Okay, so sushi rice doesn't stick. Okay. So sushi rice on the seaweed. Put it on the top of the seaweed parts first, like this. Okay, and then so slowly going down, sideways, going down to all seaweed. So next step, so the water, flip it. You have tuna here, beautiful tuna. Okay, and a cucumber. So we're gonna make tuna cucumber roll now. So this is a bamboo mat, which you get in the kit. So I put in a plastic wrap on it because it's easy to rolling up and the rice doesn't stick. And then, so this sushi roll you put on the bamboo mat. So here's the bamboo mat in the below. So we have tuna, cucumber, sushi rolls. You touching the edge, gently holding in the ingredients and then rolling up. Okay, not too strong, but you need to tie. Okay, you can see seaweed colors, and then seaweed and the rice is gonna be connect together, and then just rolling up gently. And then point is this connecting parts going to the bottom, and then you holding gently, not too strong, it's okay. Then so you're taking off, so it's nicer, like a little side in, sideways. Okay, beautiful. Okay, next step is cutting. So I use sushi knife. Sushi knife is a long knife because of the easy to cutting sushi, sashimi. But it doesn't matter if you have any like a knife in the house, you can use it. So firstly, cutting halfway. So next one, just turn, connecting like this, and then just cutting one side together. And also next one side. This is gonna be 6. Okay, and let's plating this one. So you have a wasabi, ginger. Of course, you need wasabi and ginger. Sushi ginger inside. Usually come inside. Little wasabi. And then so if it's spicy sauce, spicy sauce. Aside. And then you can put the sushi rolls. And we have a sesame seed. And then, you know, fish eggs called tobiko. It's beautiful fish eggs. You can add it. So, and then spicy mayo, if people like it. Another sushi roll, I show you how to make it. So let's make a rainbow roll. This is a seaweed sushi rice. That's same as another roll I show you. Put in the sushi rice and seaweed. Okay, this time let's put in the cucumbers, crab meat, cream cheese. And then same way, so plastic wrap the bamboo mat under this rolls. Okay. Next step, so you roll sushi. So make sure you holding like your ingredients and then little like a press, very light press, and then going to, you can see sushi like a seaweed color here, and then rolling down. Okay, this roll after make this sushi, so put in the topping. This is like salmon tuna, the rainbow. Then plastic cup wrap cover all sushi rolls, and then use the bamboo one. So this time you don't need a plastic wrap there. So easy one. Okay, and then gently press inside too. Then become like this. So next one is cutting. So this sushi knife is easy to cutting. So let's do starting with half. And then half of half. 4 pieces now. Here we're cutting more half here. This part is harder part for house your knife in house. So, but you can try. Okay, plating. So this one is the rainbow coral. So rainbow. Nice circle. And of course, ginger wasabi on the side. And then maybe a little fish egg. Nice. Looks okay, but it's not great. Okay guys, now you know how to make sushi the basic. Okay, so we start selling the sushi at home kit from this week. Also, we start online sushi class. So professional sushi chef teach you how to make sushi, and you can talk with them. So more deeper, more like technicals, more like all questions you can talk with them privately. Thank you for watching my video. So and like and subscribe the video now, and we are updating more. So please check in the below. There's links. Bye guys.